Murwillumbah is situated partially in an eroded Miocene volcano which formed around 23 million years ago. The volcano, spanning the border ranges between New South Wales and Queensland, covered 100 square kilometres and was originally twice the height of Mount Warning. Its eruption emptied the volcano's contents and created the southern hemisphere's largest caldera and one of the largest calderas in the world. A caldera is a volcanic crater formed by a major eruption leading to the collapse of the mouth of the volcano. These natural forces have contributed to the evolution known as McPherson-McClay overlap and has been recognised as a region of outstanding biogeographical significance, leading to World Heritage listing. Hi there, David here, and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Remember just before Christmas I took a little trip down the Northern Rivers rail trail? Well, I only did a fraction of it before it started raining. I'm going to be joined by my brother Roger, and he's bringing his cycling expertise, and together we are going to attempt the whole 48 kilometre round trip. So welcome to the Northern Rivers rail trail. Let's sheet on! The station has been restored with a cafe, tourist information and of course bike shops to get you through. What's obvious is that there are plenty of stops on the way and also spots that you can start and finish from if you don't want to do the whole 48 kilometres. Two things stood out to me as I began my riding. Set in the rugged mountains left from the volcano is how dramatic the countryside is and how diverse the conditions are. Truly spectacular. The second was the feat of running a train line through such rugged countryside. Boring holes through hills and building bridges to cross waterways. After we finished with the bitumen, the track became a sand gravel base, which was really cool and easy to ride. The trees that lined the track were awesome in keeping wind off and keeping shade on. It also gave protection from the wind if there was any.
This is all downhill for the next little while. For every bit of downhill you've got to go uphill the other way, so
Yeah, that's right.
it makes it easier when you can just coast for a little while.
Yeah. Riding with Rog was so much fun. I really enjoyed his company, his cycling know-how. He was very patient, and I appreciated him going slow just to meet my needs. Soon enough, we're at the Murwillumbah Range Tunnel, and that was quite something. If you go, don't forget to take a light, and take more than your hiking light. Something with a bit of spotlight is going to do you a world of favours. Having negotiated the tunnel, we came past some small town, including the Moo bike at Moo Town, which I detailed earlier. So here we are, the end of the line.
All the way. Northern
All the way.
Rivers Rail Trail.
24 and a little bit kilometres, done and dusted. Next.
Ascent 147 metres, descent 131 metres.
Very good. So most of the way is home is downhill,
Apart from the uphill bits.
apart from those little uphill bits. But don't worry about them. We've come this far. Let's go and have a drink and celebrate.
Oh yeah.
And soon enough it was time to head back. And we stopped and had some lunch and a drink, and then we made it back into town. Right.
If you want to go that way and drop or something.
No, I just I couldn't remember if we went out that way. I'll just go up and I'll just get back on again. I'll stop for a quick drink. Heading back to camp, we enjoyed a beautiful sunset and fulfilled night's sleep. Stay tuned next time as we cover the recently opened Lismore to Casino leg of the Northern Rivers Rail Trail. Until then, smooth sailing.